In this video, I'll show you how to convert a PNG file into a vector in Photoshop. First, open Adobe Photoshop. Click File, then select New to create a new document. Next, click Import Image and choose the PNG file you want to convert. Once your image is placed on the canvas, go to the Layers panel in the bottom right. You should see a background layer and the image layer you just added. Now click on the image layer. At the bottom toolbar, click Select Subject. Photoshop will automatically create a selection outline around your image. Next, go to the left toolbar and select the Rectangle tool. If the Rectangle tool isn't selected, right-click the Shape tool and choose Rectangle tool. Now move your cursor over the image, right-click, and select Make Work Path. Set the tolerance to 1.0, then click OK. You'll now see blue path points around the image. Next, select the Direct Selection tool from the toolbar. Right-click on the image again and select Create Vector Mask. Your PNG is now converted into a vector shape, which means it can be resized without losing quality. To export it, click File, then save a copy. Choose a vector format like EPS from the file type options. Give your file a name and click Save, then confirm the settings. And that's it. Your PNG has now been saved as a vector file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.